Life is a gift. Schooling is a gift. Early childhood is a gift. Teenage years is a beautiful gift because we are full of energy. Today I have a very special team. She is Diksha, an amazing student, a caring daughter, a powerful leader, a humble yet confident star who shines her glow. And words are not enough to introduce her because she's beautiful hearted, a balance of head and heart. Let's welcome Diksha to this show.
Welcome.
Thank you, Diksha. You're an angel, and I'm so happy to have you in the show. So please
Yes,
tell
sir.
us what makes Diksha so beautiful? What are your top three qualities?
So I am really a good person, and I am a self behaved, and I know I am a positive child.
Positive, nice person, and so well behaved. That makes human beings. It is not my thoughts, it is not my intentions, but the way I behave. And you are so wonderful. Thank you. My next
Thank you.
question to you is, who is a leader according to you?
So the one who can motivate others, and the one who appreciate others and knows how they are eligibility and how they can make them feel comfort and happy.
Super. I felt like I was in a leadership seminar where they say leadership is not about I, it is about we. Leadership is about appreciating others. So wonderful, Diksha. Great thought. I'm learning so much from you. My next question is, what is happiness?
Happiness is coming from our hearts, sir. Like not only rich can be happy, even a poor also can be happy with the simplest living. Not only a car, a bike, a bungalow can make a person happy. A poor who are together also makes a person happy.
Amazing. Outer comforts is not equal to inner happiness. You gave me the best secret of my life. And sadly,
So,
most adults are only running after money. They're running after competition, a better car, a bigger house, a bigger resort, a bigger vacation plan, and comparing with others. So I think this is very enlightening. Which is your happiest moment, Diksha? Yes. Which is your happiest moment?
so my happiest moment was that I got a prize in my sports. So that was my happiest moment ever.
Super, super. What were your happiest moment, in class, classroom, or at home with mother? Because I'm told you are a very caring child.
So in class, I got appreciation from my teachers, and in my home, I was well disciplined. So I was appreciated from my grandparents and my mom and all of those.
So many happy moments. Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
truly
Yes,
feel
sir.
your life is filled with happiness every moment, amidst appreciation, amidst all the care and comfort you spoke about. Great. How do you handle
Thank you.
disappointments and low moments or sad moments?
When I'm disappointed, I feel sore, but after that, I overcome it. When my mom or when my dad cools me up, or I'll be very down if no one comes to me and talk. So that's how I did.
Great, super. But do you have a self charger also? Should you have your own key also?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am trying to do that.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's be busy. Be the key maker, key of happiness, key of joy, key of motivation. Great.
Yes.
So what is the secret of your success?
My secret of success is to be proper in everything, sir. Doing our activities in a daily basis makes a person success.
It's about everyday habits, everyday practice.
Yes,
It's not like magic. One day suddenly somebody touches my head, I go to a temple and magic happens. Or suddenly I desire, I wish I'm richest, I'm happy, I'm successful. Nothing will happen. It's the training of the mind and it's your daily actions. Very, very beautifully said. Great. Okay, now do you watch movies?
yeah, really.
Oh, which is your
Yeah,
favorite
I
movie?
will. So I loved that movie's name, sir. Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Oh, wow. So you watch Hindi movies also? And
Yes,
that
sir.
little girl is rescued and sent to
Yes,
her house. Beautiful.
yes.
And an act of kindness, act of compassion, act of thinking beyond self. Okay. But should we take care of ourselves?
Yes, sir.
Our body, our mind, our strength. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it is
Yes.
important that we sacrifice, but take care of ourselves as well. Very important. If we are hurt, let us cut off. If we are hurt, let us bounce back. If we are hurt, let us heal. So, how do we heal ourselves?
By overcoming it, sir.
How do we overcome it?
In a repeated way, if we experience it, we can overcome it, sir.
Correct.
Like first time we all keep we are sad, but when we overcome it, it is easy to
We get used to and we get experience and then we get strengthened. And then one way I use is I write. When I write, I empty my heart, I empty my emotions, and we heal and we bounce back with inspiration. Yes. Great. What is two pieces of advice you want to give to all the kids watching this, to all juniors, to all your friends? Advice on life.
So first, they have to have a smile on their face, which on all work, whatever they do, they should have a smile. They should have a positive way of thinking, and they should be confident. So that's what the advice I want to give.
Amazing, amazing. Now I remember I was sitting with Dr. Kiran Bedi and we were asking about values. Ma'am, what value should we give to the children? Ma'am said, just give them one value, and that's confidence. Because if you have confidence, you will develop all other values. If you have confidence, you will stand on your own feet. If you have confidence, you will bounce back. You will stand up strong. So that was really a magical moment when you said, sir, everyone should be confident. Yes. Then you make a living. Then you inspire others. Great. Final thoughts to summarize the whole thing. What is the mantra of your life?
The mantra means happy life, enjoy life, and smile.
Super. I'm going to be happy in your company. I'm going to learn a lot from you. So thank you so much, Diksha, for being on the show. I enjoyed every minute.
Thank you so much.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful to your parents for all the values,
for
all the lovely lessons. Amazing. So thank you is one word I have for you. Take care.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.